All right, so here we have our Cummins care package. This is gonna be what comes in basically the complete kit with some added goodies. This customer added a chrome elbow, max flow intake horn kit, and I think that's it, yeah. So we're gonna go over all the base parts that come in the care package. This is gonna be for 07 to 21 Cummins. If you do have a 22 and up and you option for a ECM swap, the ECM will come included, and a few different things, like you'll get an HP Tuners device instead of an Lynk, and there's little different bits and pieces, but ideally it's the same thing. So for starters, standard in all kits will come in exhaust. This one is a 4-inch exhaust, full stainless steel, downpipe back. There's a race pipe option, a 4-inch and a 5-inch. You can also option a polished exhaust. It'll come with all the clamps required for the installation. And then as well, you're gonna get your EGR solution. This is a universal kit, so this will fit 07 to 24 basically. It'll come with all the plates you need, the throttle valve delete kit, coolant reroute. This is the hardware for the throttle valve, the gaskets for the throttle valve, the mount for the coolant reroute, different 2 types of coolant fittings right here, the block off plates, all the gaskets and hardware. And like I said, you're not going to use all these parts because this is 07 to 24. So some of the parts you won't use, and that's okay, but you'll have everything to do it. And then you'll also get, depending on your year, if you have a 2018 and up, you're going to get a bypass cable. You're also going to get 2 different switch on the fly cables. You'll get a fish tuning OBD style switch on the fly cable, and you'll also get a CCV style switch on the fly cable. Why do we include 2 cables? Because we have different tunes that require different cables. So CCV tuning requires CCV cable, OBD CSP5 tuning requires OBD cable. Now keep in mind, 13 to 18 Dodges, Rams, they're CSP4, not CSP5. So you'll get 4 positions on the OBD and 5 positions on the CCV. And as well, 13 to 18 Cummins, we have switch on the fly via the steering wheel. So if you don't want to use any of the cables, you can just use the steering wheel settings. And that there's more information on that on our website as well. This is the fitting or the connector for the CCV switch. You'll get the knob, your little Allen wrench. This is all the stuff for the OBD switch. You'll get instructions here as well on how to make sure it's working. Read the instructions, guys. We get a lot of questions. Sometimes customers are like, hey, my switch isn't working, and it just comes down to they're using the wrong tune. They're using a CCV tune on an OBD switch. And you can tell back here because it has an LED that shines, and it'll indicate what position you're in. So if you're tune 1, it'll shine 1 time or flash 1 time. Tune 2, flash 2 times, vice versa. You'll get your wire loom so you can hide all the wires professionally or make it look, you know, better than just having the wires there for no reason. And you're also going to get a flash device. We always recommend an Lynk. This is our in-house Lynk. This just has our sticker on it because we have like several of them here, so that way we know this one's ours. But you'll get an Lynk device if you option for one. And also you can do this with EFI Live or HP Tuners, but we always recommend to go with Lynk. It's the most convenient way to basically flash your vehicle. And this is sold separately. This does not come in the kit. You have to option the Lynk separately. I know in some of our other kits the Lynk is included, but with Dodges, Rams, you get the option to use EFI Live, Lynk, or HP Tuners, but I always recommend Lynk. And last but not least is the Max Flow intake horn kit, intake bundle kit. So this basically eliminates the grid heater, the factory grid heater from the truck. It'll come with a 3.5-inch intake horn, tubular style, and it'll come with the grid heater delete plate. And it'll have all the factory provisions for the fuel rail to sit and mount perfectly. And then this is for your intake air temperature sensor. Comes with all the gaskets and all the hardware. And we always recommend to Teflon these fittings just so they never leak. Oh, the chrome elbow. You can option, I don't know if I went over that yet, but chrome elbow, option it however you want. It comes not in the kit, but it's on our website as well. But yeah, DM us if you guys have any questions on the kit or what is needing for your vehicle. Also too, if you have questions on a different kit, you can also email us and we'll get you pointed in the right direction.